Okay, so number five it relates to the question in number 3 a bit ada kaitan sikit. Okay, when writing your essay, it is important to make your ideas sound realistic. Apa tu realistic? Realistic lah maksudnya benda tu mungkin berlaku. Not exaggerated. Exaggerated ni macam melampau lah. Okay, kalau nak senang katanya drama terlebih. So how do you make it sound realistic? You can use models. Remember models? It was in your previous grammar topic. You can refer to that topic again. How can you use could, can, may, might, and so on. You can also use adverbs like sometimes, often, not always, or determinants, some, many, most, to achieve the same effect. Okay, maksudnya perkataan-perkataan ni semua untuk menunjukkan kemungkinan, untuk menunjukkan yang benda tu berlaku tetapi bukan berlaku pada semua orang, hanya mungkin berlaku pada beberapa orang. Okay, for example. Alright, so that it sounds more realistic. Jangan bagi pendirian yang kononnya melibatkan semua orang. No. That is wrong. Okay. So for this task, rewrite these ideas in your notebook, making necessary changes to make them sound more believable. Believable maksudnya lagi boleh dipercayai. Alright, number 1. Crimes are committed by people who need help rather than punishment. Okay, kalau kamu tengok ayat ni, jenayah dilakukan oleh orang yang memerlukan bantuan dan bukannya dihukum. Betul ke semua orang buat jenayah sebab dia perlukan bantuan? Tak kan? Ada orang mencuri kerana dia jahat, dia nak mencuri. Tetapi ada sebilangan atau segelintir yang mencuri kerana mereka perlukan bantuan. Okay, so how can you change the first question? You can add the word some crimes. Okay, maksudnya hanya sesetengah jenayah dilakukan oleh orang yang memerlukan bantuan. Or another example is another way for you to change this sentence would be crimes are sometimes, jenayah kadang-kadang dilakukan oleh orang yang memerlukan bantuan dan bukan hukuman. Okay, so you get the idea. You see the difference between the sentence that you change and the original sentence. Original sentence kamu bagi orang kata general, terlalu umum, macam meliputi semua jenayah tu dilakukan oleh orang yang memerlukan bantuan, tapi hakikatnya kita tahu itu tak berlaku. Hanya kadang-kadang orang mencuri kerana betul-betul memerlukan. Okay. Number 3. I want to look at sentence number 3. Young people achieve great things with help and guidance. Orang muda boleh mencapai kehebatan dengan bantuan dan orang kata bimbingan. Betul ke? Contoh macam saya bagi bimbingan ke hampa, bagi nasihat semua, tapi yang pertama buat apa-apa. So kamu tak akan mencapai kejayaan, right? Okay. Tetapi kalau kamu ikut bimbingan dan panduan semua tu, selalunya kamu akan capai kejayaan tu. Betul. But not all, bukan semua. So you can use the word many young people can, or you can use could achieve great things with help and guidance. So kamu nampak tak beza dah? Satunya macam kamu kata, semua orang muda akan berjaya selagi dia ikut panduan dan bimbingan. Tak semestinya kan, sebab ada yang tak nak ikut. Walaupun ada bantuan dan bimbingan, dia tetap tak nak ikut. Okay, so this is how you change the tone. Kamu ubah nada karangan kamu supaya menjadi lebih realistik dan tidak melampau. Okay, now for task number 6. So look at task number 6. Alright. You are supposed to write on this. Okay. So you have been talking about crime and punishment in class. Now your teacher has asked you to write an essay for homework. When writing your essay, use all the notes. Okay, kamu kena guna semua nota yang diberi. Okay. Now focus when you look at the task, kamu tengok ke soalan, Some people say that young offenders, okay, we are talking about young offenders, should be sent to an army camp for a while instead of being sent to prison. Maksudnya ada orang berpendapat orang juwana ni kena hantar ke kamp tentera dan bukan ke penjara. Is this a good or bad idea for young offenders? So kita bercakap tentang orang yang melakukan salah lah, orang muda, okay, or we call it juwana in Malay, or in English we call them juwanas, young offender. You are not talking about these people, you are talking about these young offenders. Okay, so kamu boleh cuba buat karangan ni. Okay, but before you write this essay, you need to look at the language bank. Okay, look at the language bank. There are many words under these categories that you should know. Okay, I hope to see the phrases and the words in the language bank, semua benda ni. Alright, so nak tengok dalam karangan kamu lah, kalau boleh. Alright, now since the focus of this topic is conclusion, okay, is the conclusion, I am going to, my focus is on your conclusion. Kamu tulis ke semuanya, tetapi saya akan tengok conclusion kamu. Okay, now remember, avoid making exaggerated statements. Okay, use model, semua benda tu lah. And in the final paragraph, answer the task question by summarizing what you have written and adding a comment. If you can't think of a comment, kalau kamu tak tahu nak komen apa, just bagi harapan kamu. Say something about what might happen in the future. Ini macam harapan kamu. Alright. I hope the video helps you to understand, has helped you to understand this topic. So as usual, if you don't understand, you can ask me questions.